Today we are looking at the stock price of Exela Technologies, and again today the stock hit another 52-week low. The stock in the pre-market, I took a look at this stock and it was actually in the green, which was really quite something that was nice. And if you guys see, the previous close was at 14 cents and today the stock opened at 15 cents. So it actually opened in the green. But unfortunately, as the day went by, the stock has dropped 7.44% and is now trading at 13 cents. The volume today is quite high, with about 2 hours and a few minutes to the close of market. We are showing 36 million shares have exchanged hands compared to an average volume of 37 million shares. The market capitalization of Exela Technologies right now is at $60 million. So the news we are getting from Exela Technologies today is that they have a new vice president, or is it a president, who is in charge of bills and payments, and his name is Mr. Lakshmi. And congratulations, sir, for your new appointment and your new job. I think he's going to do a good job at that position. I did not look at his corporate track record or where he came from, but it's definitely somebody who is experienced to be able to, be selected to steer the bills and payments division of Exela Technologies. Remember, this is not just a small mom and pop operation. It's a big company with a global footprint and about 17,000 employees across the globe. So that's what's happening with Exela Technologies. I think at this point they are going to streamline, their bills and payments operations, revamp that area of their business, and then of course, you're seeing they are injecting already new blood into that part of their business operations. Today is not a good day on Wall Street, as you guys can see at the top of your screen. S&P 500 is down 0.39%. The Dow 30 is down 0.60%. Nasdaq is up 0.26%, but it's trying to trend downward. I hope it stays up there, but it doesn't look like it wants to. It's trending downwards, but I think with just 2 hours left, it should be able to pull it through and finish in the green. Russell 2000 barely breaking even. It's at negative 0.13%. Crude oil has dropped a little. It is now trading at $120 a barrel, down 0.37%. So the S&P is already in bear territory, and which basically is, I think, 20% down from the previous recent highs, and it's holding the 20% drop in the valuation over a certain period of time. So that has happened with the S&P, and I hope the other indices are more resilient and resist the downward pressure. People are suffering enough as it is, and the job market is not looking good. Many of these tech firms are actually cutting positions. You have some of the cryptocurrency exchanges that are also cutting down positions. Tesla, some of the very big names that you guys know, and that doesn't look very great. It's showing that and that the outlook is not very encouraging. These are companies that have a lot of data, a lot of market data. They know how to handle the data, so they are front running what might be happening here in a few weeks to a few months. So it tells me that so far the economy is not about to start recovering tomorrow. So we have to be very careful as we make our investment placements. Exela Technologies has dropped to a point where I never, for the life of me, imagined that it would be at this point. It's just a few weeks ago, guys, maybe 2-3 weeks ago, that we were debating whether Exela Technologies will drop below 25 cents a share, and here we are today at 13 cents a share. Let's see here, 6 months ago, where were we? In December, it was trading at $1.16. It is just mind boggling to imagine that how far this stock has dropped. So anyways, that is it. It is what it is. The stock is down today 7.5%, trading at $13.13, and that is another 52-week low. All right, I'll jump off here, allow you guys to do your end of day trades, place your trades, and get them in. We will be back tomorrow. Congratulations to Mr. Lakshmi, who is now in charge of bills and payments at Exela Technologies. And guys, let us know what your thoughts are so that I'm not the only one talking here. That way we can get some feedback from you guys and what you think Exela Technologies is going to do in the next week, months, and beyond. We are now at 499 subscribers on the channel. 500 subscribers will be the halfway point from the target that we set for ourselves to hit by November, which is 1,000 subscribers. I want to thank everyone that has subscribed to the channel, and even the viewers, people who just stop by to take a look. You guys are the reason why the channel has seen such phenomenal growth. And on your way out, if you haven't done so yet, please consider subscribing to the channel, and that way we keep our momentum. Thank you for your time. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Bye.